LPDDR6 memory to power next-gen devices, JEDEC to finalize standard by Q3 2024. JEDEC is expected to finalize the specifications of the next-gen LPDDR6 memory by the third quarter of 2024, reports eNews. The next-gen LPDDR6 memory standard is going to bring higher, faster and efficient performance to a range of low-power devices, JEDEC to finalize it by Q3 2024. The LPDDR6 memory will be replacing the existing LPDDR5 memory and its various iterations that were announced as early as 2019. It will be almost 5 years since the LPDDR5 standard has been out in the market. We have seen the likes of LPDDR5X from Samsung and Micron, while SK Hynix has also made a LPDDR5T variant which offers transfer speeds as high as 9.6 Gbps. These lower powered RAM offerings make them ideal for smartphones, thin and light devices, and even laptops, mini PCs. We have seen the adoption of the LPDDR5X/T variants in a range of other products, with the most recent being the LPCAMM 2 modules, which are set to revolutionize the PC segment. Owing to their small modular form factor and offer increased capacity and upgradability options. Now, according to industry sources within the memory segment, it is being reported that JEDEC is on the verge of finalizing the specs for the next generation of LPDDR memory known as LPDDR6. Talking with officials within the semiconductor industry, eNews got the following quotes. Official number 1. We have held various discussions to confirm the LPDDR6 standard specification, and added, the standard specification will be released in the third quarter of this year. Official number 2. Technology development and standard discussions are taking place in a way to minimize power consumption, which increases along with the increase in data processing. Via eNews. While little is known about LPDDR6 and what it will offer besides increased transfer rates, there are reports that on-die processing and computing will be a big thing with the new standard, and it will be designed precisely to meet the demands of the new IPC segment that is here to stay for the long term. Once announced, we can expect DRAM manufacturers such as Samsung, SK Hynix and Micron to be fully on board in the development and production of their new products utilizing the LPDDR6 memory standard. It is also reported that LPDDR6 will mark its first introduction with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chips, which had been rumored before too. Now it has to be mentioned that it is unlikely that we see LPDDR6 being adopted in late 2024 or even early 2025. It might be possible that we see the first products with LPDDR6 by late 2025 or even early 2026.